Daily Math Review number 2. Determine whether or not the following expressions are equivalent or equal when m equals 7. So that's going to be important for us. M equals 7. All right, so we have 4 times that quantity of m plus n. So that means 4 times, if we replace that m with a 7, we're going to have, if we replace that m with a 7, we're going to have this 4 times 7. What is 4 times 7? That's going to be 28. Plus 4 times n, so plus 4n. This is 4m plus 4n. You cannot combine them because you cannot put monkeys and narwhals in the same playpen. That will not work out. So is 28 the same thing as 4m plus n? No, that's not going to be equivalent. So we're going to circle no over here. All right, now let's take a look at this next one. 10m minus 3 plus 5m. So remember, m equals 7. We're going to plug that in. 10 times 7 minus 3 plus 5 times 7. 10 times 7 is 70. Minus 3 plus 5 times 7 is 35. Now left to right, 70 minus 3 is going to be 67. Plus 35. So 67 plus 35. 7 plus 5 is going to be 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 102. I'm going to put it above it. Now 5 times m, or 5 times 7, minus 3. 5 times 7 is 35. Minus 3. You get, 35 minus 3 is going to be 32. And is 32 the same thing as 102? No, so that is also not going to be equivalent. So both of those were no, and that's totally okay to have. Great job. That's it for the DMR number 2.